Welcome back, guys, and today we have flown up to Noosa Heads for a quick holiday, and we're just fishing in the Noosa River. And today we're using a running sinker here down to a little circle hook with a bit of squid on it. And today we're looking to catch pretty much anything we can, trying to catch some dinner. So we'll see you when we get one. Fish on here, fish on. Not sure what it is. It's not too big, I don't believe, but it's something. It's a start. Oh, it's a little, what is that? Like a diamond trevally or something. That's sick, look at that. That is awesome. I'll get him off and get him back in. Come on. Yep, got something pretty big here. Yeah, it is very big. It's so big. Look at that crab. It's gonna spool me. Watch out, move. Look at that drag. It's pumping. What is this? Got something big, Dad.
Ray?
Yeah, I think it might be a ray. I think it might be a ray. I think it might be a ray. Stingray? Whatever it is, it's big. It just took off. Oh, it's probably gonna snap me off. Yeah, I just want to see the ray. Shit. Should have seen the run on it before. Yeah, same. 100%. There was a few head shakes at the start though. So it could be something big. Eli, move. Nah, it's a stingray because it's just laying on the bottom. I reckon it's a baby ray. He's sort of coming in. Yeah. Oh, see? See the head shakes? So I don't think it's nah, but it's just sitting on the bottom.
I saw that picture.
Fuck. Nah, if it was a shark, it would have flew. It's so far out.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
It's just there.
It's far out.
That one?
Same. I want to see it jump up or something. But I reckon it's a... Yeah. Oh no, they're like the leopard, yeah. Far out. Obliterated in the Barwon. I'm getting it in a little bit now. Oh fuck, as soon as I start getting it in. Yeah. It's like resting until it gets into shore. It's resting and then when I get it in. Yeah. Whoa.
Is that a head check?
I don't know. I think my bets are on a ray. Imagine mull. Nah. Yeah. It's not fighting like one. Nah, it's not. It nearly took my rod in off that holder. It just grabbed on. Bit of squid. Yeah. No, like, it was like going in, I'm like, oh yeah, here we go. Nice little brim, and then just took off, and I'm like, shit. Get up high and see if you can see it. Oh fuck, it's gonna break me off.
I'll rig up.
Rig up.
Dad, there's one.
Huh?
There's a rod there.
Oh yeah, I was going to change the... Oh yeah, I'll make...
Don't they catch like barramundi underneath the bridge? Dad,
Do they catch barramundi here?
Yeah, snapper, yeah.
In this river?
big flatty, imagine. Look at that crab.
Where?
I reckon it's gonna come off.
Yeah.
Hey, like, look at the camera and see how long the fight's been going for. No, you look at the front.
5 minutes, 6 minutes.
Shit. 6 minute fight.
Dad, don't go there. What?
Yeah, no one cast in until I snap off or it's off. Yeah, look at that. It's a ray. 100%. 100%. Shotgun not taking it off. We're getting it in a little bit closer, and same. Oh. Yeah, no. Eli, get your rod in.
Reel it in.
Oh, it come off. Oh, no, it didn't. It's right there. It's running. It's running. Fuck, I thought it come off.
Oh, look at the crab here.
Yeah, I know. Eli, reel your rod in. It's going over that way. I think it's a stingray. I might have just seen it. I might have just seen it. Wait, was Mum here when I hooked up?
Just left.
Just run over.
Holy shit, you should have seen it just fang past.
Was it a stingray?
Yeah, I think. I saw a big shadow. Move.
Been on for 8 minutes.
Yeah, I don't care. Focusing on this. Or,
Oh, it's a ray.
yeah, it's 100% a ray.
Oh,
But
you can see it, Dad.
yeah, I saw that before. I reckon it's a big ray.
It is.
It is. Is it? No, it's a banjo
It's a
shark.
banjo.
Fuck. Fuck, they're shit. Fucking hate these dogs.
Hey,
They're so bad.
can you eat it?
Oh, no, it's
Oh, no, it's a shovel nose.
Shovel nose shark.
It's a shovel. What the hell's a shovel nose shark?
You got to let them go.
Yeah.
They're like a part ray, part shark. We were just talking about
Look
it
at
last night.
look at
Get
that.
it out to the side, and you might be able to.
Yeah, we'll get it off. Oh, Eli, grab that stick. He's off.
Look at the species.
Have no clue what the hell that was. Look at him kicking.
Are you filming?
Yeah. It's been going for 10 minutes. Ah. He's off. He's off. He's off. He's off. He's off. He's
Where
off.
are you running to?
I don't know. Might have to get the pliers. Look at that crab going for it. Fat shovel nose. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, far out. I've hooked him well. No, it's in his mouth. Look, see, it's underneath, but...
Yeah, they're like rays.
Oh, alright, let's get the GoPro. Good look at that dog. Look at that. Look at that. It's a romper. Look at him. It's actually, it's so...
Oh, look at the crab.
Look how cool, yeah, look at that crab going for him. There he is. Alright, we'll get this bloke off and get him back in safely. Come on. He goes off nice and safely. What is it again? The shovel nose shark sort of thing. What a fight. 10-minute fight.
Yeah, just shovel nose shark.
That is unbelievable. Well, there it is. Come on.